Hello guys, I'm Tino Anand and welcome to my channel. In this video, what I'm going to show you is how to make passive income of around $50 to $100 every single month just by uploading pictures. Yes, you heard me right, just by uploading pictures. Okay, alright, I can hear you yelling at me that you don't know how to take good pictures or you do not have a professional camera. Don't worry about that. I will help you with that. For this, you do not require any kind of professional cameras or you do not need any kind of professional photography skills. So the only thing you would require is a PC and internet connection. So let's get started. Alright, for this, the website that we are going to use is ClickASnap. So I'll go to Google and type in ClickASnap over here. So click on the first link that you see over here and yes, I am a human. So please click each image containing a train. If there are none, click skip. Okay, this is a train. This is obviously train. So after successfully letting them know that you are not a robot and you are actually a human, click on the sign up button over here and enter your email address. So I will enter my email address. I'll put in a username over here. My name is Tino and enter your password. So I'll click on agree and create an account. So after logging in, you will come to this page. So just write a small description about what your account is going to be about. So I'm going to create an account based on nature photography niche. So I'll just enter. So this is my description, one-stop shop for all your nature related pictures. And don't forget to add your profile picture beforehand. I am not adding because this is just a new account that I'm using. So I'll give confirm on this. So after completing your description, you will be sent to this page. So click on upload over here where it would take you to this page. So they're asking you to upload only your own photos or get banned. So this literally means that you do not have the right to post copyrighted photos or copyrighted images over here. Instead, you can post pictures which do not have copyrights over them. So if you are a really good photographer or you have photography skills, you can click your own pictures and start uploading on this platform and earn 25 cents for every single view that you get. So what you can see over here is 7 uploads remaining this week. So in this free account you can only upload 7 pictures per week, and if you want to upload much more than this you would need to upgrade your account. So you might be wondering how to find pictures that you can upload on this platform so that there is no copyright on your photo which you are going to upload. So for this you go to Google and click on nature or anything that you are going to upload. Click on images. From here you will see these images which may be subjected to copyright. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on tools and over here click on usage rights and here Creative Commons license. So what this means is these photographs can be used for commercial purposes. You wouldn't be claimed any kind of copyrights. So now I will click on maybe this photograph and now I'll click on this image and it will take me over here. So I will download this. It has been downloaded. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll take this picture from here and just copy it over here. Now I will give this image a description as nature photography, and I'll give tag something related to the picture that you're going to upload. So you can give travel. This is under the nature category, and so what I'm going to do now is I'll click on confirm. Now my image is successfully uploaded to the platform, and so as you can see over here, this is the total views that you have, and this is the total likes you have, and comments, and total authentic views. This means the total monetized views you have, and finally the amount of earnings you make from this post. So here you go guys, this is how you make passive income on ClickASnap just by uploading pictures every single month. Hope all of you guys enjoyed that video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have much more quality content coming up on this channel every single week. Try this out for yourself and let me know what results you got, and peace out.